Continuing with assembly of the Ladder Chief body and following the AMT instructions brought us to parts 154 and 155. These are pre-molded in an L shape, but don't really fit that well, as can be seen here. Removing about half of the material thickness from the inside surface in this area will get the part sitting lower and a flat cross-section on the top surface. The required notch is about 3/32 of an inch wide and is roughly marked here in pencil. A good way to create this kind of notch is scraping with a single-edged razor blade held perpendicular to the surface. This requires some form of guide, and for this application, a small machinist square in the tool collection was the perfect width. Because scraping in this manner removes only a small amount of material with each pass, it's a good controlled way to make a notch of the required depth. For this example, the small machinist square was the ideal guide. You can also clamp a piece of square or rectangular brass tube in place to serve the same purpose. Part number 154 with the notch created and ready for test fit. Here we can see the fit is much better than the stock kit part, with the top walkway surface now flat as opposed to angled downwards. 154 and 155 glued in place. I also added a small piece of rectangular styrene strip to help reinforce the glue joint along the bottom. This approach is useful anytime a small notch is required in a part, and with these two pieces now glued in place, we're one step closer to completion of the Ladder Chief. Thanks again for watching this update, and we'll get something out there on the stabilizers in the near future.